Okay.
YouTubers, look what I got.
But that's not from this slipping test.
Yep. A blood.
How did it happen?
burst. I was trying to get a ball when I was running. I was playing monkey in the middle, and then I tripped on some rocks. Okay.
All right, but this is the banana slip test.
Yeah, I only slipped it like only one time.
Is it only in cartoons and movies, or can it happen in real life? Okay.
Hope we can.
Oh!
No, Daddy, it didn't slip. I didn't slip.
Because we used them. We used them already.
Hold on. I jumped over them.
Whoa! It really worked. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.